New job time, new video. Sandstone patio. Not much else to it really. Some sandstone sets going there, across the front. We're going to put a perforated pipe in here because he's having a little bit of an issue with the water. His lawn's full of clay and it's flooding. So we're going to run obviously the patio towards his lawn, put some perforated pipe underneath, going into pipe, running down to the soakaway here. We've got a couple of slot acos going in there because they're nicer. Paving all the way around the corner. He's dug it out himself. Not done a bad job of it. We've just got to top it up. I think we only need about 10 more tonne. Let's get going, mate. End of day one, 10 tonne in, whacked, sub base is ready, dug out that little corner over there and MOT'd that. Paving tomorrow, got all the slabs in it, well not all the slabs in here, we've got 3 pallets in here. We had 5 pallets turn up today. Sand's coming in the morning, start paving. Just wanted to come on here and say a quick thank you to you lot that have got us to 500 subscribers now. Just means we can do a bit more with our channel. We unlock a few more features. With that being said, we're going to change, we're not changing what we're doing, but we're going to just change the way that the channel works. We're going to upload every Friday. So obviously on like the bigger jobs, like the next one's going to be sort of a 3 or 4 week job. It won't be a whole video of the one job, you'll just get an update every Friday of what we've been doing that week. This one that we're on at the minute will be getting uploaded probably on Friday as well, but that'll be the whole job. This was only a week anyway. But yeah, keep subscribing, liking, commenting and all that. Helps us build the channel. Cheers. And we're back. You just saw a lovely time lapse of me breaking my back yesterday. We've done about 30 square. You're gonna see another time lapse of me doing the same thing today. I won't walk all over there because like I said, it was just laid yesterday, as you saw. We're gonna try and get all of this lot laid round all the way up to the gate. And then, I mean, it's reasonably warm. It's about 15 degrees. We've got some nice weather, so once that's all laid up there, we can then put some boards down and walk over what we've laid and come in and then sort out the cuts, put the block edging in. If you come down here, we've got to put a perforated pipe in, go in along here. We need to dig a channel for it and wrap the pipe and everything, put it in. Down here, connecting up to this gully down here. But I'm gonna do that once I've done all the paving and everything. And we're back. Nice brisk morning. We're going to get on and do the edging today. So I need to trim these slabs up just because the fence ain't square. It runs out a little bit. Down here a block will fit, but up there it won't. I just need to cut it. Down here, again, I'll be laying the sets, the sandstone 4-size sets in the same colour as this. I'll be doing it along that edge as well. I'm going to get on and do the cuts up here, possibly do the step, depending on whether I get time. I've spot bedded a couple of slabs over there, just over the old manholes, and then I'll pave around it and then come in and do the drains at the end. Rob and Rocco are going to put the perforated pipe in today, so we're going to just it's just tying up all the little bits, getting it all connected. Let's go. Yeah, if you can, do like, subscribe, comment, share it to other people, you know. Nice to have some new faces on here as well. The more we grow it, the more stuff we can do. There we go. There you have it. There's that edge done. It looks smart. Get onto the other side. And we're back. You saw us get on with doing all the edging yesterday and the step. Today we're going to get on and do all the flow point. Well, Rob and Rocco are going to get on and do all the flow point. I'm going to start cutting the drains out up there and doing the paving, finishing all that off. Let's get going, set up some time lapses. There we go, that concludes the video. We're at the end of the job now. Definitely made a big impact on the property. I think the sandstone fits in really well with the property. Went for the sunset buff sandstone, 4-size patio pack and the 4-size edging. I think the edging, definitely a nice detail. It really just breaks it up, finishes it off really well. Went for the limestone-coloured Flowpoint jointing. Again, I think it fits really well with the paving. It looks really nice. Couple of slots, just because that slopes down quite a lot from the gate down to this point, so we just didn't want it to puddle. Obviously this whole thing does slope down that way anyway, But if that's coming down at more of a fall than here, last thing we wanted was it to puddle there. That's all connected in. We've got the perforated piping down here. He's sorting all this bit out. He's going to turf it in the future. But perforated pipes in, shingles in. It's connected into the gully there, which goes down into a soakaway. The same with that slot drain that we done. That is the end of this video. We're on to the next job. We've got a new video coming out. Like I said, it'll be every Friday at about 4 PM. I think we'll try and do it, won't we, mate? 4 PM on Friday. Next job is Egyptian limestone, 6x9 pavers, Egyptian limestone, like 200 by 50 mil blocks, big feature circle areas, 135 square meters of paving, water features, pleached trees, raised sleeper beds. We've got loads going on. Subscribe, catch us on the next one.